These baked zucchini meatballs are a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional meatballs. Packed with the goodness of zucchini and herbs, they're perfect for a light meal or as a tasty snack. Baking them instead of frying helps keep them low in fat while maintaining a crispy, golden exterior. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, grated. Half a cup, 50 g, whole wheat breadcrumbs. A quarter cup, 30 g, grated Parmesan cheese, optional for a lighter version. 1 egg. 2 cloves garlic, minced. A quarter cup, 15 g, fresh parsley, chopped. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Half a teaspoon salt. A quarter teaspoon black pepper. Olive oil spray for greasing. Optional, a pinch of red pepper flakes for added spice. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it with olive oil spray. Prepare the zucchini. Grate the zucchinis using a box grater or food processor. Place the grated zucchini in a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth and squeeze out the excess moisture. Make the mixture. In a large mixing bowl, combine the grated zucchini, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, if using, egg, minced garlic, chopped parsley, oregano, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, if using. Stir everything together until well combined. The mixture should be thick and easy to shape into balls. Form the meatballs. Using your hands, roll the mixture into small meatballs, about 1 inch in diameter, and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Bake. Lightly spray the meatballs with olive oil spray and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and crispy on the outside, flipping them halfway through the baking time to ensure even cooking. Serve. Serve your baked zucchini meatballs warm with your favorite dipping sauce, over pasta, or as part of a salad. Tips. Freezing. You can freeze the uncooked meatballs by placing them on a baking sheet in a single layer and freezing them for 1 to 2 hours. Once frozen, transfer them to a zip-top bag and store in the freezer for up to 2 months. To cook from frozen, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Herbs. Feel free to experiment with different herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary for added flavor. Dip. These meatballs go perfectly with a low-fat yogurt-based dip or a homemade tomato sauce. These baked zucchini meatballs are an easy and healthy dish that's full of flavor, ideal for a light dinner or a nutritious snack. Enjoy them guilt-free.